Back to this again, where I'm looking for these abstract elements to add to that Fmod playlist. And so I found one so far that I'm interested in using. It's this one gloss. We use this first. You remember that's Command U to split the track, to split the audio file up. We'll give it a little bit of a end pad so we don't cut it off. Strip duration. We can see this file is very small. We can add a little bit of end pad. There's the threshold, like how we wanted to actually apply its behavior of separation. So strip, or you can separate but strip, and then rename. But I'm going to rename them all at once. They're going to be generically named. So we'll get another one happening first. Okay, so now the wind chimes finally showed up. Obviously, there's some differences in dynamics there. So the first thing I'll do is just get rid of some stuff that's just too loud overall, because we don't want that to become a problem in the playlist. You could also do this and go, oh no, I like all that. Just turn it way down, bruh. So in that move, you don't have to do any editing at all. You just go like this and turn it down. I think we have enough to deal with. I'm going to go to the beginning of this now. So we have these, which are the super loud ones from that other file. We kill this now. And if you want these to end a particular way before they get into Fmod, that's up to you. Like if you want the fade to sound a certain way, you do that here, consolidate. I would have focused more on in the initial edit if I knew where this was all going. That one's abrupt. Let's, just for fun, check this out. So I have these files. It's just a slight difference in their volume. They have a different sound on top of that. So these ones have more full frequency, obviously, and those ones are very high-endy, very twinkly. For fun, let's just do the export. So Shift Command K. Oh, we could name them first if we want to do professional. So Command U, just to make this easy. That means the first one will be Glossy Jack 00, followed by 01, etc., etc. No, just O, and then 1, 2, 3. Right, so that's the simplest way of all. The video game way would have been to put an underscore at the end of Jack, right? So with those, we now select them. Shift Command K. Now, we're going to have to choose the folder where we send these. In my case, it's going to be this sound design folder. And if you want, you can break it up into different areas. So in this case, assets to Fmod. So you can make a folder now for the drips and another one for the glass. And these are going to go into the glass folder. So look, I'm like making little containers that kind of mirror what may be going on in the audio implementation side as well. Let's do this export. iMac Pro Tools session, sound design. Right. So this is the one that I created the drips from. When I open this up, I don't know what to expect. It seems to open up kind of a blank interface, even though this was set as an event. But let's see. Opening up over here on the other monitor. And there it is. Oh, this time it actually opened up with what I was expecting in it. That means I can add sound to this drip. So you could just go into, so once you've created a playlist, which is really easy, you would just select them all, and then you could actually, I think, just right click to delete. Yeah, delete. You could keep the unused objects in their folder or delete them. In this case, I'm just going to delete them, I think. Yeah, why not? And now we're going to import new sounds in here. And it's brought up this window where I can navigate out like I'm on a fucking PC or some shit. Oh, it's in the glass folder by mistake. Motherfucker. Here we go. So, that was fun. Now I'll have to make my window smaller, like you guys had advised me. All this stuff over here. So now you can really see what I was doing in the last tutorial better. There is these areas on the right here where we can modify further what's going on. Some of the things I was using were the pitch units and the randomization over here on this side, but I was mainly dealing with these areas here. So in this case, we only have these, 7 samples, right? That was the pitch area there. I thought you could go, oh, here we go. So of course you can go like this, set record directory. And in my case I've got it in Sound Zone, assets from Alphabet, and we can use a folder called Glassy Jack. And then we'll choose that, and go back to this and say record. It's now recording. We make some gamelan music now. The spawn intensity. I can't read that. Too far away from the computer. Some, looks like some 5.1 kind of shit down here, showing you the 5.1 configuration. And then this is going to be the infinite grains now. You can just bore yourself to death. Even I don't know what to tell you about this. But anyways, there you go. That's a lot of stuff. See you next time.